Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamra. For those who don't know me, I am thrilled to have you here. Whether you're a long-time viewer or you're just joining for the first time, you're now a part of my Triple TN's family. I'm excited to have you on board with me. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Guys, today I'm excited to share with you how I make my own natural herbal hair butter. Now, I have been using this recipe for some time now, and it has been a game changer for my hair health. It's made with a blend of nourishing herbs, essential oil, and natural ingredient that works wonders on my hair. So let's dive right in. First, I start by getting all my ingredients. I use a mix of herbs like rosemary, lavender, hibiscus, and peppermint, along with some natural oil like coconut oil, olive oil, and grapeseed oil. I also had a touch of shea butter, mango butter, and emulsifying wax to give it that perfect consistency. I will also put the other ingredients in the description box so you can go there and check it out. So guys, remember at the end of this video, remember to like, share, subscribe, and also comment. So I allow the oil to infuse on it for 3 hours and then place in a cool dark corner for 3 months. So guys, this is raw African shea butter. As you know, shea butter is a natural fat extracted from the nut of the shea tree. It's been used for centuries in Africa for its moisturizing and healing properties. It's rich in vitamins A, E, and F, making it an excellent moisturizer and skin conditioner. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great choice for those with sensitive skin. So what I'm doing here is to dice it in pieces so the time span it will take to melt will reduce. So guys, this is my mango butter. Mango butter is rich in fatty acids which help to moisturize and nourish the hair. It's also a great source of vitamins A and E which promote healthy hair growth. This butter is known for its ability to seal in moisture, making it an excellent choice for those with dry or damaged hair. So if you are looking to give your hair some extra TLC, consider incorporating mango butter into your hair care routine. You can use it as a pre-poo treatment, a deep conditioner, or even as a styling product. So what I have here is a pot of hot water, and I'm going to put the jar in it for the butters to melt. This is emulsifying wax. Emulsifiers are key ingredient in many hair care products. They help to create a stable mixture of oil and water, which is crucial for achieving that perfect balance in your hair care routine. By using an emulsifier, you can ensure that your hair products are not only effective but also long-lasting. So guys, after melting all the butters and adding all the oils, I allow it to cool down for some time and then place it in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes to an hour. So guys, you may see I have the jojoba oil there, but I had it in after cooling down. guys, if you are interested in purchasing my hair butter, I will be placing the link for the website in my description box. So guys, I'll be sharing with you how I make my labels and the different type of material I use. So guys, my Cricut Explorer 2 machine was giving me some issues, so I decided to use my scissors. After all, you know, this is another way to cut your labels out for those who don't have a machine. guys, we have come to the end of another video. I hope you had liked this video. Remember to give it a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Walk with the King and be a blessing. Love you. Bye. Stay liquid.